The first thing is we're multiplying polynomials. Now yesterday we specifically talked about how to multiply binomials. Today we're going to talk about 3 different types that are on your worksheet. So this one, what would this out in front be called? Monomial, binomial, trinomial, or polynomial?
Binomial.
How many addition signs do we have in it? None, so it is a monomial. Monomial. Now right here, what is this term? What is this called? A binomial. Binomial. Okay. We set up a box still, but instead of being a 2-layered box, we only do a 1-layered box because it's a monomial out here in front. So right on your papers, set that up.
Got it. There's no room.
There's room, so the 6v comes out here in front. Then the 2v plus 3 goes on the top. And we do what to get inside of the box? What operation? Multiply. 6 times 2, everybody tells me is? 12. V times V is?
V squared.
V squared. Okay. Next we go 6 times 3 is 18. And then that V comes along, and it was a positive 18, so I'll write the plus with it. Now, in my box, do I have any other V squared terms?
No.
Do I have any V terms? Any other V terms?
I can't see.
No. So it's just going to be 12 V squared plus 18V. So 6V multiplied by the quantity of 2V plus 3 equals 12V squared plus 18V. Mr. Nathaniel, question? You can't do that though, because are these terms the same? We have a V squared and a V, and so those terms aren't like terms, so we can't add those together. So we'll do number 9, which is 6p plus 8 multiplied by 5p minus 8. So what do we got here?
Binomial.
Yeah, this is a binomial multiplied by a binomial. So what will our box look like?
The original like
4
4
squares.
squares.
Right. Okay, what do I put right here?
6p
Right here?
plus 8.
Plus 8.
Then 5p at the top. Minus 6. What's it?
Okay, again, I'm multiplying to get inside of the box. So 6 times 5 is what?
30. 35.
Not 35, just 30. And then p times p is p squared, or p to the second. That's right. Okay. 6 times negative 8.
Negative 48.
Negative 48.
P.
And the p just comes along. 8 times 5.
40.
40. And this p comes along. 8 times negative 8?
Negative 64.
Negative 64, yes.
She wins. I know. Surprise myself sometimes.
Now, inside of the box, we add or subtract, depending on what our signs are. We combine like terms when possible. Do we have any other p squared terms?
No.
So we'll just write that down. 30p squared. What?
I want another problem.
Okay. Do we have any other p terms?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we go negative 48 plus 40.
It's 8p.
It's not 8.
Negative 8p.
It's negative 8p. Okay. Then do I have any other constant terms?
No. Put negative.
No. So minus 64. And this is our answer. We can't combine any of that together because they're all unlike terms now. Are there any questions on this problem or on the process of this problem?
No.
Number 19.
That's a trinomial.
Very good. She's already ahead of us, right? What's this though?
Good job.
Binomial?
Binomial. This is a trinomial. So now what's our box going to look like?
Is it going to be like
It's
3
gonna be very
squares on the
big.
top and 3 on the bottom? So it's going to be like 6 squares?
Total.
6 squares total? Okay.
Yeah. So 3 by 3.
Yeah. Now wait. 3 by 3 would be 9 squares.
2 by 3. 2 by 3.
It's 2 by 3.
Sorry.
Like a 2 by 4 and a 2 by 3.
That was so funny.
I know.
So you're right. It'll go 3 across, but 2 high in this case because these go out front. Yeah, 4A, a positive 2 are out front.
Yep.
Mr. Schuyler, what will I put right here?
6A.
The 6A square.
Okay, Miss Maddie, what do I put right here? Minus A. And Miss Jamie, what will I put here? Plus 2, yeah, or positive 2. Again, we multiply to get into the boxes. We add when we're inside, or combine when we're inside. 4 times 6 is what?
24.
24. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Because now we got to go A times A squared.
Wouldn't it be like a 3?
A times A squared is a 3. A cubed, or A to the 3rd power, yeah. 4 times a negative 1.
Negative 4.
Negative 4. A times A, Mr. Zane is saying, is A squared. 4 times 2.
8.
8. And then the A comes along with it. 8. Now we've got this bottom row. 2 multiplied by the 6 is?
12A.
Yeah, 12. And then A, well, we got an A squared times, there's not any A here, so it's just A squared. Says A squared.
Oh.
2 times negative 1.
That's negative 2.
Negative 2, and the A comes along. And then 2 times 2? 4. Okay, we're going to start here in the first box. Do we have any other A cubed terms? No. 24 A cubed. Just gets written down. Okay. Do I have any other A squared terms?
Yes.
Where? 12A squared, right?
So that would be like
It's
8A
8A to the,
squared.
yeah, it's 8A squared, isn't it?
Plus 8A squared.
Wait, so it wouldn't be like
Hold on just a second.
5?
Because we go 12, subtract 4.
Yeah, that's
Which is,
8.
and that's where we got the
I know,
positive
what
8.
about the 2 and the 3? That'd be like 5, right?
2 and the 3, where?
Oh wait, that's 2 different things.
We can't combine these,
Sorry,
right? This is what you're looking at, right?
Yeah, sorry.
The A cubed and the A squared. And we're not able to combine those together because they've got different
Yeah, I
exponents.
didn't. Sorry.
Yep. Now, do I have any other A terms?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it'd be 4A squared.
Now,
That'd be 6A.
careful, careful.
6A. Oh, 6, sorry.
Plus.
I added. I mean, I knew
Plus 6A.
I
Okay. And last but not least, we got this little 4, and I should have written a plus next to that.
We just dropped it.
Plus 4. And so this is our answer, guys. This, and what would this be called?
That's a
Quantum
trinomial.
It's a mononomial.
Oh no, it's a polynomial.
Polynomial, yeah. There's more than 3, so we just call it a polynomial.
But 4 means quadrant. Why do we call it polynomial?
Because poly means many. After 3, we